Hey everyone, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. We gonna be right back. So today's unit was sent to me by Outre, so thank you so much Outre for kindly sending me this unit. I am reviewing another unit from their melted hairline collection. It's called Kamalia and I got it in the color DRFF2/cinnamon mocha, and this is what the front of the stock card is looking like. And she is wearing this beautiful blonde color. This is what the back of the stock card looks like. It has a lot of specialty colors that it comes in. And this is what the inside of the stock card is looking like. It's just talking about the lace and things like that. So it does come with baby hairs included. It has a pre-attached elastic band, a frontal effect hairline, no plucking required, redesigned comfort fit ear to ear. So I will say it is ear to ear on me. I didn't cut the lace to the end of my ear. I just cut the lace based on the unit. So it has a soft HD transparent lace. Please keep in mind that the HD lace does tear easily. You know, you have to handle it delicately. As a 5-inch deep parting space and pre-plucked hairline with sideburns. So I will say that this unit is more on the medium spectrum. A lot of the time their units are medium to big head friendly, but this particular unit I would say is more on the medium spectrum. So just keep that in mind. When I did put it on, it was a little snug and I have a medium sized head. As far as shedding and tangling goes, there is quite a bit of shedding That's how it is with longer units. They tend to shed a little bit quicker and they do tangle a little bit faster, especially this length. This is a very, very long unit, as you guys saw earlier in my video. And the price for this unit ranges in the $40 to $50 price range. I've seen a couple of websites selling them for $42, $45. So just keep that in mind. And I really do like this unit. It's so cute. I do like it. It was honestly easy for me. I used my Ebin lace tint. I got it in the color medium brown. I sprayed the lace tint and then I went in with my MAC press powder and one color for my Juvia's Chocolates palettes. I mixed them together and then I just went in along the hairline. Usually I don't give myself baby hairs, but this time around I wanted to just do something a little bit different just to see how it will look. And I really like it. It's cute. This is what the hairline is looking like. I did not glue it down, as you guys can see. I just personally don't want to glue down my synthetic wigs. That's just something I don't want to do. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be taking this wig right off, so I really didn't want to do that. But if gluing down your synthetic wig is something you like to do, more power to you. Me personally, I like to find the easiest way to make the application process quicker because I just don't have the time. So the texture of this unit is more on like the yaki side. It does have like a nice amount of texture to it. It's not like how it was with Azalin. That one was more of like a silky crimp unit. This doesn't have this. This unit is more like a natural hair texture type. So I will say that I really do like this unit. It's cute. I'm feeling the face frame. I'm feeling this color. I do like it. I just feel like it's going to be hot for the summer, you guys. Keep that in mind. There's going to be some heat on your neck. There is a nice amount of thickness to this unit, so just keep that in mind. But other than that, that's pretty much it. You guys know I love me a simple, easy sledge, okay? But let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Thank you for watching this super quick, easy, fun video. And give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And I will see you guys next time. Namaste.